نشاهد الآن عبر شاشات الحضور الكريم إقلاع طائرة تيجاس الهندية.
Ladies and gentlemen, look to your left. Here comes to you presenting Bharat Ki Shaan, the light combat aircraft, Tejas.
طائرة تيجاس فخر الصناعة الهندية تم تصنيعها عن طريق شركة هال الهندية، وهي طائرة مقاتلة ذات مقعد واحد ومحرك واحد متعددة الأدوار والمهام، مزودة بأحدث إلكترونيات الطيران وأنظمة الحرب الإلكترونية.
As she re-emerges from the right, Cats will be carrying out a hesitation roll to demonstrate the agility and the controllability of the aircraft. It's a 4-point roll and coming up now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, that's a bonus. We now simulate that a bogey has been reported at 6 o'clock and Cats has been asked to engage the threat. There she pulls up for a vertical pitch back to quickly turn around and neutralize the adversary. This maneuver demonstrates the exceptional vertical maneuvering capability of the Tejas, and that brings me to the name. In Hindi, Tejas means radiance. As she flies out from the sun, she exudes radiance. Look on, he is turning hard left to get to the correct angles for a quick burst of the 23mm gun, and the threat ceases to exist. Please look to your left as he now repositions for what we call the red eye turn. In this maneuver, the aircraft and the pilot is pushed to the extreme limits, wherein they are subjected to a negative 3.5 Gs. There she goes. The aircraft is banking to the right. Oh, but turning left, giving Cats red eyes.
جهزت هذه الطائرة بقمرة قيادة زجاجية كاملة، وهي أيضا قادرة على التزود بالوقود جوا، حيث طورت بأن تكون قادرة على التعامل مع الأهداف الجوية والأرضية بأنواع مختلفة من الأسلحة.
Next up, ladies and gentlemen, is an aerial salute to the wonderful people of United Arab Emirates who made this land so prosperous, and of course to His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan. So please look straight ahead as Cats position himself for a vertical Charlie. And there she goes, pulling up into the sky, flaunting the beautiful Delta platform. And with this, we say, Tahia Emirati. Continue looking on, ladies and gentlemen. He comes down for what we call the Formula One turn. Watch out as he manages a turn tighter than Michael Schumacher's Ferrari. Look on for the Formula One enthusiast as he turns effortlessly in just a few hundred meters.
تيجاس قادرة على الإقلاع والهبوط في معسكرات ومطارات متعددة، وتصل في التحليق إلى ارتفاع 10,000 قدم فوق سطح البحر، وتم اختبارها في جميع أنواع الظروف المناخية والتضاريس المختلفة في الهند.
Do not take your eyes off as he positions for the slow march. This maneuver demonstrates the exceptional low-speed capability of the aircraft. And please look to your left as Cat starts knocking off some knots, and flies by a staggering speed of just 120 knots. Burners of the bees behind the seat. Watch him zoom into the sky with the very high reserve of thrust. Continue watching him, ladies and gentlemen, as he now positions off a half roll for the last maneuver, the Spider-Man farewell. Cats will now roll and invert his bird and bid farewell to you all, beautiful ladies and gentlemen, in the Spider-Man style. Do not forget to wave your hands at him as he'll be flying past in front of you, as he would be looking at you because he is inverted. Here he comes. 3, 2, 1. Now, ladies and gentlemen, continue to wave your hands to him and bid goodbye to the beautiful machine, Tejas.
تم تصنيع هذه الطائرة في عام 2016. كانت طائرة التيجاس مركز الجد في ساحات العرض ومركز المناقشة دائما في غرفة العمليات المشتركة.
Atmanirbhar or Saksham, which means self-reliant and capable. And that is the message we bring to you through this beautiful machine, talking in terms which all aviation enthusiasts and the aviators would rather understand too well.
بشكل عام تعتبر طائرة التيجاس طائرة مقاتلة متقدمة وذات قدرة عالية وتلعب دورا كبيرا في تغيير مجريات العمليات في ساحة المعركة والاستعداد العالي في الدفاع الجوي عن الهند.
Tejas, by design, is a lethal flying machine that showcases its nimble maneuvering characteristics to enthrall the audience. It has an aerodynamically designed tailless compound delta and of course the relaxed static stability combined with the state-of-the-art fly-by-wire that makes it so agile and maneuverable. The crew performing in the Dubai Airshow belong to the number 45 and the number 8